guys, so today I'm going to be doing my May Morpheme. This is my Morphe brush subscription. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for coming. If you guys are not new, thank you for rejoining us and coming back. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Alright, so let's just see what's in store for May's Morphe brushes. Alright, so this one says Happily Ever After. And I don't know if this is supposed to be because of the royal wedding that happened in May, but maybe. It says Once Upon a Time. There's literally a story about a Prince Charming, so I'm thinking maybe that's what Morphe was kind of going for, or maybe it was just supposed to be fairy tale. I don't know. So we have 3 brushes this month, and they are obviously on the more expensive side because there's only 3. So let's just start off with this one here. They're all rose gold too, which is what I love when they all kind of come together and work together. This is the Morphe R35, and this is obviously the rose gold. This one is the deluxe blender brush. So this is an eyeshadow blender brush. So I absolutely love the fact that they keep sending me eyeshadow blending brushes. I love eyeshadow blending brushes. I honestly believe that they are super amazing. You can never have enough of them. So up next is number 2, and this is what it looks like here. It's nice and fluffy. It's pointed at the top, and this is the R1 Morphe brush, and this is the deluxe pointed powder brush. So it's obviously for getting in real good when you're chiseling out your contour and baking and stuff like that, so that's pretty awesome. And then this one is the last one. So it comes with one of these, which is pretty awesome because you can actually be careful with your brushes. The problem is getting the hair not wrecked when you take it out. So this is the R12 brush, and this is a deluxe highlighting fan brush. I'm not a huge fan of fan brushes. We've been getting quite a few of them in the last little while in boxy charms and different stuff like that. I don't like fan brushes. Really, to be perfectly honest, they need to be a little bit denser to do really good highlighting, and I feel like they're kind of a waste of my subscription, especially when you're only getting 3 brushes. But I have given a few of them to my sister who paints canvases and stuff, and she loves them. Anyway, so that is the last brush. So I got all 3 of these rose gold brushes. I am happy that they're all in the same rose family, so they're all from the same collection. I'm probably not going to end up using this, but maybe I'll maybe I'll put it in a giveaway since they are new. But yeah, so those are the Morphe brushes from this month. If you guys want to see a video on my favorite Morphe brushes that I've gotten in my subscription, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make a video for you guys. Alright, well, that was everything in this month's May subscription for Morpheme. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! Let's just get right into this. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. This is what it says. It's called Boxy Bash. This is a trio of 3 different brushes. There is a spoolie, an eyeliner brush, and an